Hello everyone, I am Sonal and today I am sharing my mocha mini chocolate muffin recipe. These little babies are light as feather but also pack a rich punch of chocolate. This recipe makes around 10 to 12 mini muffins and it just takes 10 minutes of prep. So let's get started. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. This recipe is so easy to make, and trust me when I say you don't need to wash a ton of dishes after making it. There are no fancy ingredients involved, just some basic ingredients that will be in your pantry anyway. If you like this video, hit that notification bell and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, share it in the comment section below. Bye!